not connected, but it was just sitting into this little filter full of crap. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start with the fuel tank. I already have the car jacked up, like so. Jack stands under it. I have to undo some bolts here, take off the straps on the bottom, disconnect a couple lines, and we'll be good to go. So the gas tank is out, and it's full of rust from the fuel pump. The fuel pump is very crusty, and I think the problem was it was picking up, whenever I'd slide around, it would pick up into this little filter. All of this is all the stuff that was in this. So I'm gonna take this off. I'm running an inline pump fuel filter anyway. So gonna clean the tank out, clean this up, and put it back in. Where are we at on the Corolla?
So there's a problem.
Oh.
It's not funny, I know I shouldn't laugh. The problem was that we had to get to the top of the gas tank.
Yeah.
We didn't want to undo the bolts. It was way easier. Then we ran into the big problem. It's like maybe squirrels, gas line. Not Chuck. Squirrels chewed on the gas line. An ordeal. What basically happened is we got to put a 2J in it. The fuel lines are just screwed. At this point, 2J's your only option. Wish I had better news.
I've got some news.
Do you want the easier option?
Yeah.
LS. Listen, an LS Corolla is about the only thing that makes sense in this world. All the Corolla guys, there's a problem with you. The problem is America. Well, I got my American flag on the front of my dots. All right, but for real, James will tell you what's going on. It's not that as bad as it made it sound.
Nah.
It still needs an LS, but whatever.
So, the gas tank is done, cleaned out, fuel pump ready to go. I took this tea bag filter out of here. Yeah, time to put the gas tank back in, and hopefully that'll fix my fuel cut issue that I was having. It was full of rust, so I assume it will. We'll see. All right, moment of truth. We're gonna see if it starts.
What you got, dog?
Well, I already checked. It's not leaking, like the line, because.
So it's already, the fuel pump's already on?
Yeah, you don't hear it?
Nope.
Good.
Farted.
Oh, couldn't hear it over that. Let's see if it even starts in general. It'll take a second. Just gotta let it think about it.
Bro, I've never seen nothing like that.
Oh, well, I put the gas tank back in. It looks like I'm gonna get a little bit of practice on taking it back out. I put the gas tank in, everything's fine. I guess everything's not fine. The fuel pump's not kicking on now. When I originally did it, one of the wires came off of the fuel pump. I think it was the ground. I put it back on. Apparently I didn't do it right. So we're gonna pull the fuel tank back out and fix that. Fun. I guess a future top tip, everything looked fine. It's really, really tiny. But this is not connected, but it was just sitting like right there. So I thought it was. So I'm gonna fix that, put it together, test it outside of the tank, because obviously I wouldn't want to put the tank back in just to find out it doesn't work again. So fix that, test it, put it together, car should start. Perfect, easy, first try. Done. The fuel pump, the fuel tank's back in, fuel pump works. It doesn't prime itself though, it only starts when I crank it. I don't know if that's normal, gonna look into that. I'm dumb. The journey to go drifting at Import Alliance is underway. Let's take a look. Fuel pump. Skip. Done. I think next, I want to put the hydro in. No, I should fix this oil line. That's next. Let's go. Woo. think I got it.
Do you?
I don't know. Don't worry, camera. This one's for you, Cam. Just about wrapped up with the ripstick. 30-minute install.
I mean, per your video, you probably did it in what, like 3 minutes?
Hopefully. That's if they even get to see this. Is that not awesome though? Hold on.
It is, but I feel like we were about to die.
Nah.
You're dead.
Woo! Dude, I was close to that curve.
Real close. We almost died. But it's okay. We're not dead yet. We're almost dead. Oh shit. No, we died.
Yeah.
Okay.
All the law.
Hold on.
Good or not, who knows? That was some angle. That was full lock.
Oh my god.
Oh, shadows. All right, that's it for this video. 2 things off the list. Hydro, skirt, done.
It's only four plops and a skirt.
4 plops in a skirt, insert. James,
4 plops.
I was gonna say Mikey quote, but that's my
your
quote.
quote.
I'm the smart.
Mikey just put it on Facebook.
I'm the smart one here. But thank you for watching. Make sure.
What was the other thing you got off there? You said 2.
Fuel. Oh, now the car
runs
actually,
better.
It runs way smoother. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more drift stuff. Check out Jesse's channel. Check out that turd, the Moo-mobile, the Moo-vertible. Like I said, thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe. But stay tuned for more drifting, more getting ready for Import Alliance, and have a great day. Bye! Bye. 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 Bye.